चैप्टर का वर्कशीट है उसको सॉल्व करना है मेरा टमाटर खाने वाला उसको बता मैंने टमाटर खाया
Okay. Hello, Prakash. Go to a separate side. I tried getting scared of seeing you. Oh, one cover, second cover. And go fast, go fast. You're from which school? You're from which school? You're. You're one. Yeah. My house is good to matters. What is it? Something that is yours only. What is inside? Inside. No. Yeah. Who is sitting with the mask? Mask man, come out from there. No, come out. Yeah, take the bag. Did you hear? No, I don't need to take a risk over here. You don't have risk, you know. Huh? You want to be with the then what is your don't reach my side. Come out from there. You should separately. No. Separately over here. You're wearing the mask and drinking it over here. You got the COVID over here, no? COVID you heard about it is spreading, no? Same, but I'm taking you are yeah. Hell, I'm only calling him to bring over here, no? Good evening to you all. Good evening, sir. All so excited. You know, test paper is over. Revision test is over. Your maths revision is over. Ryan people, Ryan Nerul, wait. You people are, yeah, you, Nerul, who is the Nerul one? Yeah, I know. Are you be quiet? No? I know. The other day you were telling I also had a test.
I know, sir, I did practice homework, sir, I have done that.
For the Ryan Nerul people? When is the revision test starting? Today, other day, people are telling now we had maths revision test is there. Yeah, maths revision is over.
Yes, sir.
And for you people, the others, Ryan Kargar, your admission is over. Under last one, you want to know? Yes, sir. Sit down over. Please stand up, please register. Long time no see. Where did you go? Kolhapur. What's your name? Arya what? Maharashtra or? Yeah. So what is the place for Kolhapur? Nothing is available there. Now, another area is still not back. There is a boy area. Hotel, sorry, hotel party. How good now? Which chapter is going on? Huh? Very late. My mother was something. It was starting work. Yeah. Homework was given to you? No, homework is given to you. Yeah, which your school started? Yeah. Why you late? Rickshaw drive. Every day one parents are back now, that's it. That's where rickshaw driver brought. Good. It behind of the success. Okay. What happened to you? Then what is your showing actions and all? You don't, I will tell you. Huh? No, put in your bag. Don't, okay. Yeah. Which chapter is going on in your school? 36. So I have given you homework anything. Ready starting. Why are you writing daily YouTube? Where is the last two page for? Which standard? Then what is this on this? After that, what is this? Read. Now it has spell. What is the spelling of now? N-U-L-L. K-N-U-L-L. Eight times time pass. So you are doing all time pass. Then what is the exercise 80? Test. Who gave the test? School. Actually, this is school, not good. Is it telling I am sure? Okay, tell me what is that square matrix? You stand up there. All of you close the book. Tell. Louder. Number of rows and number of columns are equal. What is the diagonal matrix? What is it telling? Yeah, RET. All discussions are over now. He said everything now. Did not tell. So what is the diagonal matrix? A one by one. What do you really say? One by one. One. Did you hear what is the diagonal matrix? Yeah, I know. Very good. Please. Yeah. Who asked you to open the book? Krisha, what is the diagonal matrix? A one by one. What is the A one by one? 2 by 2.
First element, second to second.
What is the diagonal matrix?
In which, in the form A11, A another.
Very enough. Akshara. Your place I will change, then we will okay. Yeah. Yes. What is the diagonal matrix?
There except A1, A11, A22, and A33 all other.
What is this A11, A22, A33? Position of each element.
And
Inside. There is no names on there. You stand up straight. All of you stand up. Take out the view, sit down. All of you take out the book. You all were present now? Let's off screen. Oh, very good. So stand inside. Yeah. Open the book and read what all things are written in the book. You have a book. Not the volume, the notebook. Yeah. I have given you what is a square matrix, what is the diagonal element here, row matrix, column matrix. Pratyush, better you move out of the class. He will ask lot of things to you, mind your work. Did you hear? I will look after his case. Okay. When his parents were not there, then did you look after him? Then what is your mind your work, huh? He will lot of ask things. I am going to ask you what all things you are, why you are standing, you know it. Those who followed, I don't need to, this one, since long time, you were there present in the class? Where is the note? Ah, very nice. Thank you. I have a reason not bring the book. All of you signed the attendance sheet. Then why are you keeping it down? Why are you learning? Yeah, so that the new child come here. All that girl. Bring the pen. I'll see name and put signature. Hello, I will do that on things. You people, I have given the work for you. All of you know what is diagonal matrix. Or you know what is a square matrix. Right, this one scalar matrix, identity matrix. Or if you have followed, then sit down. I'm going to ask you people. You don't need to once you read only that much is enough. I don't need definitions. I like you look at each other, then sit. Akshara standard. What is a diagonal matrix?
Only non-diagonal elements are seen.
What is a square matrix? Then what do you mean by diagonal elements? A11, A12.
A1, A11,
A11, A22, A33, etc.
A1 by 1.
A one by one. What is it one by one? A11. Two times I asked, then you change, keep on changing. Then if I again ask you, you tell 1 minus 1. A11, A22, A33, etc. They are called which elements? Diagonal elements. Can you come and write one diagonal matrix on the board? Yeah. Yes, standard. What is a scalar matrix? What your people are standing for today? Full day or what?
Diagonal matrix where all the diagonal elements are.
Right
All the
fast.
diagonal elements are same.
In a diagonal matrix, all the diagonal elements are same. That is called a scalar matrix. Come out. What is the order of this matrix? I asked you what is the order? 3 by 3. Sure, no. What do you mean by 3 by 3?
Number of rows.
So how many rows are there? 3 rows and 3 columns. What is A33 here?
A3 is
Is this? What is
Three,
that?
three.
Also, you cannot tell now. Give that pen to him. So, wait there. I will write one example of a scalar matrix. It will come and sit in second bench. You're talking there. She complaining about you. She is complaining about you. I am telling him. You believe me or you believe her? What? Yeah. This is coming as which matrix? Scalar matrix. Why it is a scalar matrix? All the diagonal elements are same and all the non-diagonal elements are 0 and it is a square matrix. Sit down. Hello, these people will stand throughout the day or what? Oi, Navlon, Patil, Standard. What do you mean by an identity matrix? What matrix?
It is a square matrix. Which the values of the non-diagonal elements are one.
Come and write the, come and write. That's it, please. Quick, sir. Who is talking there? Again, Pratyush is talking now. Saxena, who was talking there? Oh. Sir. So tell me which is one. Which is that is which element non-diagonal.
This is non-diagonal.
Then so you said non-diagonal elements are one, no?
I said non-diagonals are zero.
You said non-diagonals are zero. Gee,
But I did it, sir. Practically, I did it.
practically you said you everyone. So everyone had something else. Okay, practically you tell something. Okay, identity matrix is denoted by which letter?
I.
I. Pakka. So go back. Okay. What is your what matrix? Null. A and E value. Then tell null matrix. Matrix in which all the elements are zero. All the elements are zero means what? Is it a square matrix? It is always square matrix. Yeah, let tell it is it can be square or not square, not necessary. Okay. Do you know what you mean transpose of a matrix? Obtained by what? Tell what is obtained. By the like the. I tell fast. Sir, just revising. You can't remind. Kabir, did you read? What do you mean by this transpose of a matrix?
So, it's the interchange of columns and.
Interchange matrix obtained by interchanging the columns and rows. Standard. You know what is the transpose of a matrix? Go to the board. Find the transpose of the first matrix of which Akshara written. Okay. Sit down, both of you. All of you look there. What is it? Oh, yeah, look how she wrote and how you wrote. At least little more decent way, no? That depends on the height, no? If I ask you to write one more means your font will be more than that which, no? Okay. Is it transpose? It's the same thing you are written, no?
Oh, but this is like this. This is
It is like this, like this, like this. Yeah, look now, have you noticed something? When you take the transpose, first and foremost thing is that the diagonals remain the same. Since everything. Thank you, okay? Suppose if I write over here, then what will be the transpose will come? Where will be minus 5 and 6?
Yes,
In the
second and third.
in the column, first column, that is coming as minus 5 and 6. Revolve. If I take it as this is 5, then where it will be 5 will come. This one is 5. Okay, understood all of you? See, whereas the diagonal will remain the same while taking the transpose. Okay now? You this much only we are done. Transpose taking alone. Now, today we are going to discuss about how the basic operations of matrix. Okay, how to add, how to all of you close that to volume. I did not ask any question from you. Now, how to basic operations, how to add, how to subtract. What is going on here? Or add, subtract, and all these properties. So, basic operations here. First, right, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. You write equality of matrices. You have followed what is the meaning of equality of matrices? That is word means when do we say two matrices are if who look at that side and who is that bottle? Yours only, no? Yours only? Huh? Whose bottle is that? Okay, sir, I will. Okay, yes. Hello, you can cover a lot of drama, you don't need to see. Equality of matrices means when do we say two matrices are equal? Right? Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said, SAID, said to be equal. Don't make new spellings for these or things, okay? Said to be equal. If they are of the same order, if they are of the same order, spelling of order, and the corresponding elements are same, and the corresponding elements are same. Corresponding, spelling of CORRES, corresponding elements are same. Are we followed? What is the meaning? Are we followed? What is the meaning? And what did we follow?
You have to memorize them.
Huh.
It's the composed of
They should be of the same order. First one is of order 2 by 3, second one should be of the order 2 by 3. Suppose it is given, look here. If A of order 2 by 3, B is of order 3 by 2, are they equal? Immediately you tell they are not equal. Why? The order is different. Hello, what is this water bottle is moving here and there? The order is not same. Here order is 2 by 3. What is the meaning of 2 by 3? 2 rows and 3 columns. What is the meaning of 3 by 2? 3 rows and 1 column. First thing is that they should be so. Are these two matrices are equal? Maybe not equal. It can be equal. Then what is the next? Their corresponding element should be equal. Suppose if I write as A is equal to, like here, who is talking there? 3 minus 1, 4, 2, 6, 8. Are these two matrices are equal? Why there is not equal? Again, the bottle has reached out here. Then it give it that bottle. Yeah. Who's in that bottle? Huh? He wanted. You are the water supplier, no? Isn't it? Yep. Yeah. Listen. Are they equal? Trisha, why they are not equal?
First, but
You don't know. Do you know what is first or third element?
1, 3.
A13 is 4, whereas here A13 is. Keep that bottle down and listen now first. Yeah, these are people one by one, something has to do now. This should be not that so. Everything should be here. So this also should be 4. Now are they equal? Yes. Now the question will be coming in this way. Given is these two matrices are equal. Is A equal to B? Find the value of X, Y, and Z. Do you know how to find out? Raise a hand. Yes, Akshara, tell. These are first of all you have to check. These are equal. See, 3 and 3 are equal, minus 1 and minus 1 are equal, 4 and 4 are equal. Then what will you do? Equal to 2. Therefore, X is equal to how much? 0. Then,
5 minus 6 will be 6.
therefore, Y equal to 12.
5.
Therefore, Z is equal to.
3.
Are we followed, all of you? Everyone followed? Sure. Who's that? Tell na, you. Patel. Problem. If the, and why discussion is going on, no discussions. Those, you don't need to explain. So why you're asking, you will not tell him, you mind your business, okay? Adel, tell him now. Okay, okay, that is done. Okay, now, hey, put that down. Now look here, if it is given this is equal, then what is your conclusion? First step will write they are not equal. Why they are not equal? 4 and 5 are not same. Understood or not? The whichever the value is given, it should be equal. Then only you can. Equality, all of you followed. Two things you have to see. What is it? They should be of the same order. And then the corresponding elements are same. No problem. Okay. When questions come, we will do it now. Okay, I will give these simple questions and all. Simple questions only. There is no problem. You know which chapter we are doing? Okay. Next, very good. Next heading, right? We are going to do basic operations. Addition of matrices. Hello, Akshara, close that whole spelling of addition. I will write for you now. Addition of matrices. Addition. Addition means you know the word now. What do you mean by that? Sum. Addition. Sum of matrices. Right. Two matrices can be added. I will write down two. You don't need to write that one. What I am telling you, right? Two matrices can be added only if they are of the same order. Only if they are of the same order. And the sum is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Sum is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements. Written, if you written, please read yourself. Try to understand the meaning. What is the first statement is written? Two matrices can be added only if they are of the same order. Can you add two matrices? It can not always. Sometimes if they are not, what happened now? One the boy side, one some majority other girl side, one girl is there. What happened? You have any problem? No. I didn't know she don't have any problem. Tell her you don't have any problem. Ariki, tell her to be quiet. Okay. Yeah. They should be first thing you have to check, they should be of the same order. Then only you can add. So question why I am telling these all MCQs will come. Immediately think and do it because generally marks will go in MCQs. That's why I'm telling you. It's very simple only, but you don't think and feel right. That's why. Yeah, they are of the same order. Now check. Are they of the same order? Yes or no? Sarah, what is the order of A? Where is Sarah? There is no Sarah. Stand up. What is the order of A? There is no. 3. Vidhi. Vidhi is there. He is in some other word. Do you know what is the order of A? 2. And it tell fast now. After 2, you will take 2 minutes to tell the next one. 2 by 3. Do you know what I mean by order? Number of rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. By number of column. 2 by 3. Very good. Sit down. What is the order of B? 2 by 3. So you can add this one. How will you add these two matrices? Aditya. Plus, how will you add these two matrices? Who get there? Moksha, how will you add?
Sir, by matching the corresponding.
Matching means what?
Sir, by adding the.
Adding the corresponding. So what will be your answer? Tell me A plus B equal to. Tell now. 3 plus 3. First element is 6. Then minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2. Moksha is not telling, all others are telling.
9,
9. Next 4.
14,
14.
17.
17. Work is over. Are you followed all of you? Correspondingly, sit down, sit down. All of you followed. First you check, are they of the same order? If yes, add the corresponding. Those who are not followed, tell me. Elements are not necessarily same. Are the elements are same? No. Okay. Mister, tell me A plus B. 3. Tell fast.
-2.
-2. -1 plus 2 is -2. +2. Yeah, right. Then -1. Understood or not? There is nothing to do whether same or different. Okay, corresponding elements are clear. Okay, sure. Ananya, are we following? Then tell me what is B plus A? Same thing only. 0 plus 3. 2 minus 1. Aditya, stand up.
Sir, you were asking something.
Come here. Did you hear to come here? Come here for first. Second bench, sit down. You come over here. You don't need to go anywhere. You decide, Lord. No,
Sir, you are second.
no, here. I think you wanted to sit with the girl. That's why you are doing all these. Let's erase everything. You wait and see. Okay. Not with the Arya. Okay. I have seen the other class on the benches. Your work only now. I was finding who the next day you will I will take you to that classroom. So addition will be followed. See here what is it? A plus B and B plus A are same. A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is called a property. Have you heard about this property anyone? Please you cannot talk now. Commutative property. Okay, right. So remember the names, right? Properties of addition. Properties of addition. He's throwing the mask away. What property is this one? Pratyush. Alright. Properties of addition. First one. Matrix addition is commutative. Matrix. Spelling all of you know matrix. Matrix addition is commutative. Spelling you know COMMUTATIVE. Commutative. A word you should know it. Sometimes the exam they will ask verify commutative property. Right. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. You should tell from here that place is become quiet. Next is Chahal. Chahal, I thought he is a quiet boy, but I am seeing he is doing all musty all. I was saying Pratyush was creating all trouble. That I am seeing the pictures. Yeah. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Written. Second property, right? Matrix addition is associative. Associative. I will ask these girls to stand in, then you will come. Associative. Yeah. Yes, you know what is associative. Who knows what is associative? Who? Who knows what is associative? Yes. No, that is combined. Yes. Or you don't show this here, then you have this for it. Have you seen what is it? A plus. I think Akshara is purposely talking to sit with the boys. Yeah.
Sir, I should start.
Down the side. No. I know how to slap enough properly, then you will come. Then, did you write this one? You know what is the meaning of this one? This is interchanging the bracket. If you ask to find out this one means, first you find the value of B plus C, then add with A. Here how do you find out? First we find out A plus B and add. Both the answer will be same. Are you followed or not? Are you followed? Okay. So two properties we studied. Which are the two properties? One is commutative, second one is associative. Because these two words, you know, everywhere addition, subtraction, Multiplication everywhere it will come. So you should remember. Okay. Next. Write the next one. So addition you written, subtraction, sorry, commutative you written, associative you wrote. Third one. Right. For every matrix capital A. For every matrix capital A. There exists a matrix minus A. For every matrix capital A, there exists a matrix minus A such that A plus minus A will be equal to minus A plus A. Both are equal to O. O means null matrix. Written A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to O. Then write this one because this word is important. Minus A is called the additive in minus A is called the additive inverse of A. It's a very important thing. Additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A. They may not ask the question to verify. Sometimes they'll ask what is additive inverse. Suppose if A is equal to 3 minus 1, 4, 2. This is a matrix. Find the additive inverse means it's minus. That means minus A. You know what is minus A? Everything changes sign. Minus 3, 1, minus 4, minus 2. These are additive inverse. Understood or not? This is called which one? Additive inverse. Question sometimes ask MCQ, which is the additive inverse? Yeah, this is an area. You should have stayed in Kolhapur only, no? These all painting and all we could have done over there. Full benches become all painting, no? Yeah. Next is, so it is coming as what? Additive inverse called. Okay. Also, right, next step you write. O. Okay. O is called the additive identity. O is called the additive identity. Where O is a null matrix of the same order. O is a null matrix of the same order of A. O is the null matrix of same order of A. Chair standard. Give me the null additive identity of this matrix.
A minus is equal to minus T.
What is he telling? Sit and laugh and talk, have fun, you know. You will learn everything. Isn't it?
I written.
Yeah, very nice. Pratyush. You cannot listen to the question even. Enough now. Those who listen, they will tell. How many zeros? What is the order? 3 by 2. Very good. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Write the additive identity of this matrix means with the same order, write the null matrix. Yeah. Nice. Sit down. What is the additive inverse? Not to you. Here. Huh? You also not listening. Very good. Next one. What is the additive inverse of A?
Mathematics of the
Additive inverse.
inverse is the matrix A with the opposite sign.
So tell now, what is it?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, 1,
Minus 5.
minus 5, 0,
Minus
minus 2, 3. Are you followed? Inverse ask means negative of this one. Identity means all elements are 0. Are you followed? Sit down. Okay. Addition of matrices, all of you followed. When can you add two matrices? Same order. Then add the corresponding elements. Okay. The same rule is subtraction. I'm not begging to do it. Okay. Suppose it is coming in this way. Again, suppose if it is coming as B, first and foremost, they should be of the same order. 5, 2, minus 1, 4, 6, 8. Can we subtract these two matrices? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
No.
A minus B equal to
5 minus
5 minus 3. Why it is 5 minus 3? A minus B mean this side bigger minus smaller.
3 minus
How much is 3 minus 5? Minus 2.
minus 4 minus
How much?
minus
Minus 3.
minus 5 minus
Who's that? In between. Tell na.
minus 6
From where you to once 5.
minus 5 minus
How minus 5 you got? Oh, you cannot read. I said is weak.
5 minus
5 minus minus 1, 6. 5 minus minus 1, 6. Then
0 minus 4
how much?
4
Minus 4. Everywhere you want to
2
be.
minus 6
How much?
minus
Minus 4.
3 minus 8
Hmm.
minus 5
Are you followed? After 4 elements only you just started by giving correct. Plus minus mistakes were there. Are you followed? Everyone, sit down. Are you be careful? There are how many elements are there? 6 elements are there. Suppose if you write this one, any mistake is there? Yes. How many mistake? Only one mistake, one element. Mark will be given as 0. Understood? Don't go and argue with the teacher. See, my all the things are 1 minus only give mark. No mark will be given. Are you followed all of you? So A minus B. Okay? Clear? All of you? Sure. Tell me what is B minus A? 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Then how much? 3. How much? Minus 6. Then tell na. 4 minus 0. 4. How much? Huh? 4. 5. Can you see any relation between these two?
it is the
Additive inverse. A minus B is minus, no? That's your property. Understood all of you? Subtraction. Anyone having a problem? Addition, subtraction, no problem. Third property, right? Scalar multiplication. Doubt. Doubt.
Minus
Which one?
A minus
Huh?
plus 6 and minus.
This minus one, no? I changed it now. This one, no? That's I found the mistake I was showing now. Okay, chalo. Now, what is the topic written? Scalar, SCALAR, scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. It means multiplication by a number. Right? It means multiplication by a number. Scalar means always remember a number. Okay. Right. A is any matrix. Capital A is any matrix. And K is any constant scalar number. Anything you can write. K is any constant, a fixed number. A, capital A is any matrix and K is any constant. Then KA is the matrix. KA is the matrix obtained by. KA is the matrix obtained by multiplying every elements of A. Multiplying every elements of A by K. Ka is the matrix obtained by multiplying every element of K, every element of A by K. Are you followed or not? For example, look at this matrix B. Suppose if I wanted to find out, let's say 4B, how will I get 4B? Every element should be multiplied by 4. That means what will I get here? 20, 8, then minus 4, 15. Okay, are you followed? Okay, which opposite also. Suppose if it is given as this one, this is given as A. How will you take common factor? It should be common with every element, not one or two row or column. It should be every element is common. That means it will 5 will be taken, or what is taken? Okay, 4 is taken and corresponding. Is it clear? Yes or no? No. Sure. Pakka. Followed. Addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication. You will get combinations. Find 3a minus 2b plus 5c. Like that questions will come. Okay. Now, another one. Along with, suppose it is coming in this way, one more thing. I'll tell before. 3a minus 2b plus, let's say, 5i. If a question not writing, you don't write this one. I give questions. Okay. Followed now, what is the meaning? You have followed now. Those are not followed, raise the hand. I will give explain again. Not followed. Followed now. Now if the question is find 3a minus 2b plus 5y. You will be given A, you will be given B, I will not be given. What is I? Identity matrix. What is the order of I? Same order of A. Check what is the order of A. It will be a square matrix. Either it may be a 2 by 2 or it may be a 3 by 3. Then accordingly I include it. Followed or not? They will not specify what is I in the question. Don't ask what is I. Clear or not? Yes. Okay, that is the one. You followed? Okay. Sure. Then stand up, Aditya. No. You studying? No. You stand up there now. He does not shift from here. Then stand up. All of you do this question. A is equal to B is equal to. Okay, you also sit and do it. Fine. Don't copy from them. Okay. A, B, find this one. That's equal to. It's not, it's easy only. A is 1, 5, 2, 6. B is 5, 2, minus 1, 4. Got it? Those who got the answer, please stand up. Those who are unable to do also raise a hand. And if you got the answer, tell me. Got the answer? You got the answer? What is this you showing? 1 second. One step. Pratish only got the answer. Then stand up now. Doubt or standing for? No, don't worry. Relax. Other than, do you know why these two are standing? More are there? More? Secret out. Wait, four people. That's enough. Okay. Since Prithvi was standing first, what is your answer? Tell the answer. Minus 12, 11, 8, 5. Is there anyone got this answer? No. You sit down. What is your answer, Igor?
Minus 2, 11.
Really, she is telling now.
Minus 2, 11, 8, 50.
Who got this answer? Sit down there. You? Different one. Now all of you listen. What is your answer?
714.
Thank you. These also sit down. All of you look here. You don't need to struggle. Look here. Stop writing. I have given time for you now. All of you stop writing means stop. Vidhi, I cannot call you again. Now look. 3. A is 1, 5, 2, 6. Minus 2. B is 5, 2, minus 1, 4. Plus 5. I is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is your first step. Are you followed? The second step is, one more step you can write. This will come 3, 15, 6, 18. Now look, you have to be careful. This minus 2 I am going to multiply. So plus minus 10 minus 4 2 minus 8 plus 5 I am multiplying. What will I get? 5 0 0 5. I can 3 plus 5 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. Are you followed? 3 and minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. Next is 15 minus 4 plus 0 11. Next 6 plus 2 8 plus 0 8. Next 18 minus 8 10 plus 5 15. Those are not followed, raise the hand. Check, is there anything? I have not done any shortcuts or something directly. Be careful when minus is coming, that minus multiply and put a plus over there. Otherwise you will confuse. What happened? And tell speaker. I means identity matrix of the same order. Understood or not? This order 2 by 2, therefore it is equal to. Clear? Okay. Okay. So careful. Huh? Same answer. Okay. Understood all of you? Everyone? No problem. Are you followed? Or still confusion? No. Mohammed, you did not do the question. No. That teacher only, no? No, what happened? What do you know what is the meaning of I? I means identity matrix. What is the order of I means the same order of A and B. What is the order of A? 2 by 2. Understood or not? Okay. 1 0 0. Clear? Anyone else? What type of questions I will give you? I have explained. Show your face. Show your face. Bring it. While rub with your face only. Everyone is going. So you sit with Vidhi, she will go. Sorry, Vidhi, nice. Arya. She will help you how to do it. Okay, next time, Vidhi. Next time you will get sit with her. Okay. Now look here. We have already discussed for 2 exercises. This is the property for 2 exercises. We can do first and second exercise. Only left out in this chapter is matrix multiplication. That I will explain later. It's a complicated form. Okay, that we will discuss in the next lecture. Let's take your exercise. Page number. Who is that? Huh? You are awake, the professor. And then matrices, my dear friend. Exercise. Page number 86. All of you taken 86. Unsolved exercise 8.9.1. Okay, start solving it. I will explain one by one after clarifying Pratyush doubt. What is the doubt of Pratyush? You tell now from there. Secret out that during break time we can tell. Recess we can tell. Immediately. Are your marks where the marks can come?
Hey, मेरा वैसा कुछ नहीं है.
So look that side and tell. Tell.
There is water.
There's water on my bench. So you didn't do anything, must be, no?
Then I was drinking water and I kept it like this. Then
Okay, no problem. Water only, no? Pakka, no? Okay, water. Don't worry, don't take tension. Water will, don't, then what is he? When he starts, you could have said from there, no? Is it something secret to tell? Then what? You can tell now, because there is water, water fell. You can tell that is the way, no? The water fell down. That only you have to tell, no? Yeah, others feel suspicious, no? Yeah, am I true? Am I telling correct or wrong? You tell, and he's telling you was it. Oh. Okay, start the exercise. You can now take one more then. Okay. 5, 2, 3 people and 2 volume. Then who did not do it? Then who's and then Akshar, next one. Ariti, tell Akshar, okay. After going to where? Trichy. Tamil Nadu. Oh, you are very good. Okay. Chalo. Okay, I will read the first question. Yeah, now these people are the only to throw. You're purposely throwing on me out. Then. Arey read. Apu and four. Okay.
Then we are two matrices order three by A respectively. Then there's now A plus B is positive.
For true or false? Arey tell na. False. Why? Reason. 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 You know. Order is different. Very good. Right. Because order is different. False order is different. Okay. Next girl. Read the next girl. She's showing me this one. Do you know what is by conformable? You can do subtraction. It suits subtraction property. Can you subtract? Yes. True. Reason? They are of the same order. One girl already looked behind. Cheating done. No. Okay. Next here. Mr. Child. Oh, child is second child. Second one is true. Sit down and read. No problem.
Transpose of a 2 into 1 matrix is 2 into 1.
2 into 1. True or false? False. Reason?
Because transposing
Yeah, that means it will come 1 by 2. When you transpose means 2 by 1 will come as 1 by 2. Next, Mohammed. Volume is not there. Other read na.
transpose of a square matrix plus
Sure or not? Yes, true. 3 by 3 when transpose means 3 by 3. True. Okay, next here. Pratyush, I do not he will tell you know. Okay, read the next question. I will read the next one. Okay, now you
a column matrix has many column and occupied false.
false.
That is a row.
Column matrix contains only one column. Answer over.
Yes, sir.
That's true, false is over. Yes. Next here. Read. Second question. Oh, very good.
Given matrix X y plus 2 3 z minus 1 is equal to 3 1 5 x y.
So equating the matrix now. Do. You done already. So therefore, x is equal to how much? X equal to 3. Y plus 2 is array right fast here. Kadam. Maybe today Friday, na? Remember? You have to take me. Y plus 2 is equal to 1 for me. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then z minus 1. Should I write? There are people are looking. What is the first condition? X is equal to? X equal to 1 or 2? Are tell na? Nobody is telling. X is equal to 3. Then second one is what? Y plus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 1 minus 2. Then take a third one.
Z minus
Z minus 1 equal to 2. Therefore, Z is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore, Z is equal to 3. I hope all of you followed. This exercise is very simple one only. Okay, now what happened? Aryan, who is calling you? Why Pratyush, what is the relation between Aryan and you matrix? Why did you call him? Huh? Huh? You did not call him. No connection, no. Okay, disconnect. Okay. Yeah. Listen. Is it over here only? Oh. Yeah, listen all of you. Now, this exercise we can do next class. I will we have to complete the next class we have to complete all the exercises. Okay. Homework part. You don't need to do any question for matrices. Understood? Okay. Now, Monday what revision test is there? Basically education. Yeah. Subjects. You don't have the favorite subject. Yeah. The chapter which you have to revise. Yeah. Chapter you have to revise is trigonometry. I need all of you have to do 10 sums. Sunday test is there. Oh, by the way, what is this?
Yes.
Not over it. Yes, you see. Yes. Now we'll do from there. Quadratic. Okay. Question quadratic from the three quadratic method.